So we might say, well, maybe we need all the kinds of truth we can get our hands on and all the tools that we have in order to live properly, and we can sort out the fact that some of them seem to coexist paradoxically. Well, we can just live with that for now and accept it as a necessity that might become, you know, the reason for which might become more clear across time. So it seems to me that for psychology, to be a psychologist, you have to take both these domains very seriously. You have to learn everything you can about what science has to tell you about what it is that you're like and what the world is like, and then you have to learn everything you can about what history and culture and also the shared communication between people tells us about what the appropriate ways are to conduct ourselves and to what ends we should be working. And if you ignore any of them, you ignore them at your peril, because you have to know them in order to minimize the degree to which you're going to suffer unnecessarily, or that other people are going to suffer unnecessarily. So it's not optional. You see that this sort of dichotomous truth, the problem of this dichotomous truth shows up in all sorts of binary oppositions in terms of forms of knowledge, you know. So there's the objective reality, which no one really lives in because it's a third-person perspective, right? So it's a hypothetical kind of reality, but conceptualizing it seems to be very useful. And then there's the phenomenological perspective, which is your experience is actually reality, and that's what counts.